Hi everyone! Today I've got a quick drawing demo for you. I just published a new class on Skillshare. It's the third in a series of colored pencils on black paper. And in this class, I'll show you how to draw cat's eyes. And drawing cat's eyes for this tutorial made me want to draw a cat portrait because I haven't done that in so long. So I went on Pixabay and I found this really pretty reference photo, and that's what I did. To me, drawing a black cat on black paper with colored pencils is pretty easy because all you have to do is draw the light touching the black fur. So I only need a white pencil. Of course, I could be more elaborate and use different colors to show the reflection of all the colors surrounding the cat, but I like the simplicity of only using a white pencil on black paper. So for this drawing, I only established the fur where the light was hitting it. And the only colors that I needed were for the inside of the ear and the eye. I hope you liked today's demo, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're brand new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you're interested in checking out my tutorial on Skillshare, I will put a link in the description box. And if you're not a subscriber of Skillshare, you can get a free trial to check out my classes as well as all the classes on Skillshare. And that's all for now. Thank you all for stopping by. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.